Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I got a Porsche 996 today. I'm doing a voltage drop test on a starter motor that I just fitted. So I just fitted a brand new starter motor today. So let's have a look. It's inside there. It's really hard to get to, and you gotta actually take a few stuff off to get to. It's inside there. But what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna do a voltage drop. We're gonna crank. This car was very slow to crank. You got to start the car and it's just very lazy, very reluctant, doesn't want to start. Alright, so we just fitted a brand new starter motor already. Start the car and it starts really quick, very powerful, brand new starter motor. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to actually get a second mechanic to start up, and I'll need you to watch the voltage drop on this starter motor. Usually you do these tests, I'm doing it here now because it's easier, but usually you do these tests at the starter motor post, but the starter motor post comes to here anyway. So the wiring comes from there, and then from here goes inside to the actual starter motor. So we're going to start up and then just watch the current draw. Just want to show the actual voltage drop, no current draw. See how much voltage drop brand new starter motor have when you start the car. So notice how quick it is. So we're gonna start up now. Yep. Turn it off. Do it again. Turn it off. So you can see how quick the starter motor starts compared to before. It's very lazy and very slow. Okay, I just done that so to show if someone wants to do some diagnostic in the future, they can test it and compare it to my video. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.